We'll guide you through how to make script to video in NotebookLM. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser on your device to start the process of converting a script into a video using NotebookLM. Next, go to notebooklm.google.com by typing it into the address bar at the top of your browser. After that, press enter and wait for the NotebookLM homepage to fully load. Once the homepage appears, wait until all interface elements are completely visible. After everything is ready, click the Create New Notebook button to start a new workspace for your video project. Then, proceed to open the Add Source section and locate the Copy Text option. Click the Copy Text button to copy your script content carefully. Make sure the text is fully selected and copied without missing any parts. Once done, return to NotebookLM and wait for the system to automatically read and process the content. Allow NotebookLM to analyze your script thoroughly so it can understand the structure and meaning of your content. Next, review the generated insights inside the chat panel. After that, open the right-hand panel inside NotebookLM and find the Video Overview option. Click it and wait for the Video Overview section to load completely. Choose your preferred format, either explainer or brief, depending on your content style. Then select your preferred language and adjust the video style to match your audience and presentation needs. Next, enter a short and clear instruction based on your script content in the prompt box. Click Generate to start processing the video overview. Finally, review the generated video carefully to check its flow, clarity, and accuracy. Once everything looks correct, confirm that your script has been successfully converted into a video using NotebookLM.